In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pinterest business account. We'll walk through the essentials so you can set up a professional presence for your brand and access powerful tools like analytics and ads. You'll just need a web browser and a reliable internet connection, and you can follow along at your own pace. Start by opening your browser and searching for Pinterest, or simply type pinterest.com into the address bar. Click the official result that uses the pinterest.com domain and look for the secure padlock icon in your browser to confirm you're on the legitimate site. Once the homepage loads, stay on the default landing page. No need to sign in just yet. Keeping this clean starting point helps ensure you're creating a dedicated business profile rather than converting a personal account unintentionally. On the Pinterest homepage, find the link labeled Businesses, often located in the top navigation or within the menu on mobile. Click it. You'll be taken to the Pinterest for Business area, where you'll see clear options to create a free business account. If the layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Designs update from time to time. Just look for wording like Create Account, Sign Up, or Start Now within the business section. Select that option, and a guided setup will appear to collect the basics for your new profile. Fill out the required information for your business account carefully. Use your brand's official name, choose your country and language, and select a business type that best matches what you do. Add your website if you have one. This helps with credibility and later verification, and pick a username that's easy to remember and consistent with your brand elsewhere. You'll also be prompted to set goals and interests so Pinterest can tailor recommendations. Upload a clear, square logo for your profile photo. Write a concise bio that explains what you offer, and review the terms before completing sign up. After you finish, Pinterest may invite you to customize your profile, explore analytics, or set up ads. You can skip these prompts for now and return to them anytime. Before you move on, confirm your email if prompted and consider enabling additional security features in your account settings. That's all you need to create your account. From here, focus on brand consistency, clear descriptions, and steady posting. When you're ready, explore analytics and website, claiming to unlock more insights. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.